Hello and welcome to the Technology Access Program, or TAP, workshop on connecting to your community. TAP is part of Somerville-Cambridge Elder Services. In this workshop, we're going to talk to you about how to find and join groups, where to share your interests, and how to connect to people online. All right, we're going to talk about how you can use technology to connect to your community. One site that can help you take advantage of connecting to your community is nextdoor.com. This website has info on community events. You can find out what is going on in your town and post events that you might be planning. All you have to do is go to nextdoor.com and sign up for a membership. If you're looking to volunteer your time, Volunteer Match is a great site, and it's volunteermatch.org. And basically, if you go to that site and log in and look for some volunteer work, you can find volunteer work within your community. WhatsApp groups. You're probably familiar with WhatsApp. Well, WhatsApp has a great feature called groups. And some you'll need to request to join, some you can join right away. To join a group, you need to ask a group admin to add you to the group, or they'll send you an invite link or a QR code. And once you receive the group invite, you'll need to click Join Group. And when you first added to a group by one of your contacts, you can see more information about the group, such as who is added to it, who created it, when it was created, a group description if it has one. There are groups for all sorts of things on WhatsApp. Now, let's say you're already on WhatsApp and you haven't found a group that you're interested, or you just want to create your own. You can actually go ahead and do that. So if you want to create your own group, here's how. You can create a group with up to 1,024 members. So to create a group, you're going to click New, and then Chat, and then the plus symbol. Then click New Group, search for or select contacts to add to the group. Then click the arrow to the left, enter a group subject. This will be the name of the group that all the members will see. And the subject limit is 100 characters. You can add an emoji to your subject by clicking emoji. You can add a group icon by clicking the camera icon. You can choose to take a photo, upload photos, or stickers. And once set, the icon will appear next to the group in your chats list. Now, inviting people to the group. So once you've created a group, you want to invite people. To invite people, you can invite by sharing the group link with them. The admin can always reset the link to make the previous invite link invalid and create a new link. So open the WhatsApp group chat, then click the group subject, or alternatively, you can click more options in the top menu corner and then group info, then click invite to the group via link. Choose to send a link via WhatsApp or copy the link. And if you're sending through WhatsApp, you want to search and select contacts, then click send. Facebook also has groups. Facebook has many groups on many different subjects. You can even create one of your own. Facebook group books can be good and bad. I've seen some great ones and some that drifted off from what their original stated goals are. The good thing is, it's easy enough to leave a Facebook group. All you have to do is choose to leave the group. I should mention Google Groups. Google Groups was once rather popular, and one it's available in two versions, one that's freely accessible to everyone and another for organizations. If you're using both versions of Google Groups, you'll need to keep switching accounts to access the features you want. Now, I have to be honest, I've looked into this function a bit, and it might be dying out. They have stopped supporting parts of it, but you might want to explore it. That's totally up to you. I wouldn't be surprised if Google does phase this out eventually. So now I've joined a group. What do I do? What should my first post be? Your first post should not be something like this. Your first post should be much like how you would like to introduce yourself in the real world. Say who you are, what you like, why you wanted to join the group, and what you like to get out of the group. It shouldn't be too long of a message, but enough to get people to know you and start interacting with you. Here's a better example of what your first post should be like. For example, let's say I joined a vintage electronics group. I might say something like this: Hi, my name is Paul. Thanks for letting me join your group. I really enjoy working with vintage tech gear, obviously. I have a reel to reel tape recorder, some vintage cassette decks, and some oscillators. I really lean into some of the older, odd noise making equipment. Does anyone have any tips on similar devices? I do have some gear to trade if anyone is interested. Thanks again. And that would be something interesting and exciting and can get conversations started. So, how else can you connect? Another thing is to try to comment on other discussions, try to share your knowledge and be helpful. For example, you might say, Hi, Terry. I see you're having some problems with that tape player. You probably have already tried this, but if you open it up and sprayed compressed air into it, when I did that, the quality of my reel to reel improved. Try to make yourself a useful part of the group and comment on discussions and try to keep things positive and engaging. Some final advice: keep an open mind. You don't need a circle of people just like you. You don't need to avoid people who aren't like you. Find people with a few traits in common. Well, thank you for your time. I hope you got something out of this workshop. And remember, the TAP program is part of Somerville-Cambridge Elder Services, and we're here to help you. You can contact the Community Support Center at 617 628 2601, or you can email us at info@eldercare.org, or you can find us online at eldercare.org. Thank you for your time, and I hope you had a wonderful rest of your day.